AMD is trending up 7.4%. This is Wednesday, the 12th of November, 2025. Traders and investors are reacting to the company's recently disclosed long-term growth targets. The company expects its AI chip sales to grow at a blistering 80% annual pace over the coming few years. The company disclosed all of these to analysts yesterday, the 11th of November, and it expects or estimates that that should give it a double-digit market share by 2030 in an area where Nvidia currently has a near monopoly. Those figures imply AMD will be pulling in more than $100 billion in AI chip sales in 5 years' time, in an overall market that AMD estimates will be worth $1 trillion. The company also suggests gross margins will stay at a relatively healthy level, even as it spends money developing new chips and complex computing systems and much more. Okay, so this is its 4-hour chart. Let's see what we have here. On the line trend on this 4-hour chart is bullish, strongly bullish. The extrapolation is not pointing to the upside. It's more of a just strength just strength up till the close of today's trading session. Then after that, it's expecting a contraction of the expansion it has had. It's been having since Friday the 7th. Okay, projections are currently saying 258.11, 263.80. So the Fibonacci projections are ambitious, however, the extrapolations are bearish. Okay, so let's see what we have. Momentum is also expected to be weak as well. Nothing to the upside, nothing at all. Or maybe it might pick up some momentum slightly, but not to the current levels. It might pick up momentum slightly from modestly from Tuesday, the 18th of November. Let's have a look at its daily chart and see what we have. On its daily chart as well, strength is expected to remain in place up till Friday the 14th, and after that, the downtrend, if you like, yeah, well, that actually began sometime in late October, is expected to continue or resume. Okay, projections are saying, yeah, ambitious as well. No, they're not ambitious. They are bearish as well. We have 232.88, 237, even 170.46. Okay, underlying trend strongly bullish. Okay, so the stock is expected to trade within this area. So a contraction of this expansion. Yes, that's what's been expected. That's what is expected. So people have some analysts, some veterans have noticed that veterans in the markets, in the markets, they've noticed that some there is a possibility that profit taking may have started to kick in with cheap stocks, cheap and AI and cheap stocks. So obviously AMD is right in the middle of all of that. There was a video we put out early today where we had Nvidia, LRCX, MRVL, and WDC. We covered them. Those stocks. They are showing a mix of showing, yeah, just like AMD. Their extrapolations are pretty much like AMD on the daily chart. So yes, some profit taking is expected in this sector. There seemed to have been a divergence that was noticed yesterday. The Dow did well, but Nasdaq didn't do well. So this is you have to align all of those with what's going on right now. So the algos are not expecting anything to the upside, which is pretty much in line with the expectations. As a matter of fact, the veteran that put that out is actually the owner of these extrapolations, these indicators I have here on this chart. So let's see how things go. The stock is currently trending. People are digesting the positive news. The AMD could defy all of those profit taking and still continue to advance and sustain its underlying and sustain its strongly bullish underlying trend. So we'll see how it goes, and I will continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Yeah. Okay. So we have some news that has just come up now. AMD just declared war on Nvidia, and it's gotten $400 billion. Okay. Okay, sent a powerful signal to investors this week, laying out an ambitious plan to triple earnings and reach $100 billion in annual data center chip revenue within 5 years. Okay, we've pretty much seen much of that, or I've already discussed much of that, some of that. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.